On this video, I'm going to show you how you can do a fake video call. Yes, you can prank any of your family member, call them with somebody else's face, right? So watch this video to the end so you see all the step by step I use in recording this tutorial. So if you're joining my channel for the first time, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I drop an amazing video like this one you're about to watch, you won't miss out. Alright, so on this tutorial we are going to make use of two phones. One is going to have the software and the other one, we are going to use the other one for call. So you can do WhatsApp call, any of the social media call. So if you have your iPhone with you, I want you to go to your Apple Store, then search for Xpression Camera, right? So we are going to make use of this Xpression Camera to do the video, right? This Xpression Camera has an AI tools that can swap the face of the person using an image. Okay, so we are going to do that right now. So search for it. You can see the one with this logo, then click on download. All right, so we are going to install that. You can also use Avatarify, but that one is paid, so that's why we are going to use this Xpression Camera to do it. You can see it's a face swap app. All right, so once you download it, open it, it's going to open like this. Then you can see all my images. The next thing you are going to do, we are going to select an image. I'm going to select an image. All right, so okay, let me look for a good image here. So you can even search for a celebrity name and pick any celebrity. So let's try use Donald Trump and see. So this is the picture of Donald Trump. If you have your own picture, you can import them. Look at this man's face. So let's make use of this. You see, you can see the icon at the top there. It's showing where your camera, your phone camera will pump out. Then once you move your head, you see, once you move your head or you talk, you can say this is C. Ronaldo. You talk, you see. Okay, so this is how it's, it works. So whatever things you try to say, it's going to, start acting to it. All right, so you see. So you can decide to say whatever things you want to say, and you click on this middle button to record the video, right? You can click on it to record the video. So once you're done recording the video, or you have the video like this is where your second phone is going to come in, right? This is where your second phone is going to come in. Okay, let's try this other picture again and see. You can see, so you can make any image to speak, to react. You see. All right, so the next thing you are going to do is, once you have it that way, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to make use of your second phone. This is where your second phone is going to come in. So you're going to make use of your second phone. You go to your WhatsApp, the person you want to call, make sure this phone is placed at the top a little bit. Then you make use of this one to do the calling. So if you need to have two phones for this, so you place this one like this. This one needs to be looking at your face so you can be reacting to it, and your voice, the person will be listening to your voice. All right, so you're going to place the phone like this. So this phone, the call you're making here will be looking straight, the video call will be looking straight on this particular phone, right? Why this other phone, the camera will be the one facing your face. Then the image of the person, since you're moving your head, this particular image here will be moving from left to right. So if you're talking, the mouth will be moving. All right, so the person you're calling here will believe that this person I'm talking to is real. All right, so that is how this particular one work. All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe and like this video. All right, peace. Take a look at this video. You can see how fake this video is. So people are using this fake video call to manipulate a lot of people. So on this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this. A lot of people are selling this software, but I will review it. I will be showing you how to make a deep fake video call on this tutorial. A friend of mine was recently scammed, and I want to review all the method and tricks they use. Right, so if you're looking for a way to prank maybe anyone or any of your family member, watch this video. Right, so if you're joining my channel for the first time, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you're about to watch, you won't miss out. All right, so to proceed, make sure you like this video. Okay, to proceed, I want you to sit back on your system because we are going to make use of two software. All right, so we are going to make use of OBS Studio. As you can see, we're going to make use of OBS Studio, and I'm going to show you how you can import Avatarify to your OBS Studio. You can see, so click on that place. You see, if you can't find your window capture, you can make use of the duplicated. Once you click on that, you will see it. So make sure you click on window capture, click on OK. Then you are going to come to this side, uncheck the mouse so that anytime you're moving the mouse on the Avatarify, you won't get noticed. You can see that's the reason why I'm going to uncheck the mouse. All right, so in this video we are going to configure it, then we are going to make a call. Right, so you can see this is how it works. So this is the webcam for now, but I'm going to switch it to the Avatarify. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to select the Avatarify now. All right, so you see, so we are not going to make use of the webcam. And if you make the call like this, it's going to happen that the video is going to be on one side on your phone or in your system. So we need to make it to fit the full screen of either phone or the computer. So I'm going to drag this. You see, dragging it here now. You can decide to just drag it and place it at the middle. So you can drag it, place it at the middle. You see, it's a very simple. And a lot of people has been asking me to make a video on how they can position it as a portrait, because I'm making use of landscape. So on this video I'm going to review the method as well. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, drop a comment. All right, so if you are finding it difficult to install, you can WhatsApp me and I'll put you through for free. You are not going to pay me for that, right? Okay, so you see, so what we are going to do now, so let me show you how you can change from landscape to the portrait. Then, and we are going to make use of Telegram too to make this call. All the software you are to use during this call making, make sure you have it installed on your system. If you're making use of WhatsApp, Telegram to make any call, make sure you install it. Don't make use of the web, because it's not going to work, right? It's not going to work. This video is for educational purpose, just for educational purpose. You can use it to prank, you know, or in educational purpose, in the sense that you won't be a victim of a scam again. So now go under the video setting. Let's adjust the from landscape to portrait. So we are going to change this setting here. You can see where it say 131280 by 720. So we are going to change it. So let's just edit and put 720. You see, it's just like from top to bottom now. So we'll do the same thing like this. And when we apply this setting, when we click on apply, trust me, it's going to automatically work. You see the size now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to drag the image there so it can fit the screen. That is exactly what I'm going to do now. So you see, just drag it a little bit, then you can drag it with all the edges there. Okay, so you see it fits the screen now. See, so even though you're calling, if you made a video there, let's say you import a video there in Avatarify, anyone that calls you, they are going to be seeing this particular one. Easy peasy. It's a very easy process, right? All right, so I'm going to make use of Telegram. You see, I have my WhatsApp installed. If I want to call from all this app, I can actually do that, but on this tutorial I'm just going to make use of my Telegram to run the call. So that's exactly, make sure you have it installed. If you try it on the web, it's not going to work. You need to be a software installed on your computer to be able to do that. So I'm going to search for my Telegram right now. So then I'll click on it, and we are going to adjust a setting. So sorry that I blur. I don't want to disclose my details. So we are going to adjust a setting. All right, since you have it installed, so let's go to setting. This setting will enable us to be able to make this video call easily. So you go under call setting, that is it. Then you can see integrate webcam. So this is where we are coming. You click on it, then we are going to choose OBS Studio. You see that? You see now. So any call we make from Telegram, it's going to happen to redirect the OBS Studio interface straight. So you see, once you click on video, this is exactly what is going to show. So it's making use of the OBS Studio. So it's a very easy process, like very easy process. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to drop a comment. Peace.